Hello everyone, this is Mamta Aman, and if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notification of future video. Today we will solve self practice exercise question 2A of second chapter. Chapter name is fraction and decimal of class 7 of New Learning Composite Mathematics textbook. Let's get started. What we will learn today? Today we will learn and solve self-practice exercise 2F questions 1 to 5 of chapter fractions and decimal, second chapter fractions and decimals, and topic is simplification. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notification of future videos. Let's get started and solve some questions. Now solve question number 2, and question number 2 is the expression 1 divided by 2 plus 4, 3 divided by 4 minus 3, 1 divided by 6 minus 2, 1 divided by 3. That is inside the bracket. This expression is equal to, these options are given. First option is 3, 2 divided by 3. Second option is 1, 1 divided by 4. Third option is 4, 5 divided by 12. And fourth option is 1, 2 divided by 3. First we evaluate this expression that is inside the bracket. First we convert this mixed fraction 3 1 divided by 6 and 2 1 divided by 3 into an improper fraction. So multiply denominator 6 with whole 3 plus 1, numerator 1 divided by denominator 6. So 6 multiplied with 3 plus 1 is 6 multiplied with 3 is 18, 18 plus 1 is 8. 19, 19 divided by 6, and 19 divided by 6 is the improper fraction of the mixed fraction 3 1 divided by 6, and convert this mixed fraction 2 1 divided by 3 into an improper fraction. Just multiply the denominator 3 with whole 2 plus numerator 1. 3 multiplied with 2 is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7, 7 divided by denominator 3. And LCM of 6 and 3 is 6. Now divide this LCM 6 with denominator 6, that is 6 divided by 6 is 1, and multiply 1 with 19, we get 19. Now divide 6 LCM 6 with the denominators of second fraction 7 divided by 3, that is 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2, and 2 multiplied with numerator 7, we get 14. 2 multiplied with 7 is 14. Now we get 19 minus 14 divided by 6. 19 minus 14 is 5, 5 divided by 6. Now we convert this mixed fraction 4, 3 divided by 4 into an improper fraction. So multiply the denominator 4 with whole 4 plus numerator 3. 4 multiplied with 4 is 16, 16 plus 3 is 19, 19 divided by 4. So we get 19 divided by 4 minus 5 divided by 6. That is inside the bracket. Add with 1 by 2. So we get 1 divided by 2 plus 19 divided by 2, 19 divided by 4 minus 5 divided by 6. That is inside the bracket. Now we get 1 divided by 2 plus 19 divided by 4 minus 5 divided by 6. Now we evaluate this expression that is inside the curly bracket. 19 divided by 4 minus 5 divided by 6. First take the LCM of 4 and 6, and LCM of 4 and 6 is 2. 4 is 2 multiplied with 4, 2 multiplied with 2 is 4, and 2 multiplied with 3 is 6. So LCM is 2 multiplied with 2 multiplied with 3, that is 12. So LCM is 12. LCM of 4 and 6 is 12. Now divide the LCM 12 with the denominator of the first fraction 19 divided by 4. 12 divided by 4 is 3. 3 multiplied with the numerator 19. 19 multiplied with 3 minus, now divide the LCM 12 with denominator 6. 12 divided by 6 is 2. 2 multiplied with the numerator 5. 2 multiplied with 5 divided by the LCM 12. Now we get 19 multiplied with 3 is 57 and 5 multiplied with 2 is 10. 57 minus 10 divided by 12, and 57 minus 10 is 47. 47 divided by 12. Now we get 1 by 2. 1 divided by 2 plus 47 divided by 12 equal to, take the LCM of 2 and 12. LCM of 2 and 12 is 12. Divide the LCM 12 with the denominator of this first fraction 1 divided by 2. 12 divided by 2 is 6. 6 multiplied with 1 is 6. And now divide the LCM 12 with the denominator of second fraction, that is 12. 12 divided by 12 is 1. And 1 multiplied with the numerator 47 is 1 multiplied with 47 is 47. Now we get 6 plus 47 divided by 12. And 6 plus 47 is 53. 53 divided by 12. This is in improper fraction. Convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. That is, just divide the divisor 12 with the dividend 53. We know 12 multiplied with 4, that is 48. 48 plus 5 is 53. And 4 is the quotient, and 5 is the remainder, and 12 is the divisor. We know mixed fraction equal to quotient remainder divided by divisor. So we get 53 divided by 12 equal to 4. 5 divided by 12, and 4 is the quotient and 5 is the remainder, 12 is the divisor. So option C is correct. 4, 5 divided by 12. So option C is the correct answer. Now we solve question number 3, and question number 3 is value of, and the expression is 3 1 divided by 4 division of 1 1 divided by 4 minus half of 2 1 divided by 2 minus 1 divided by 4 minus 1 divided by 6, and that is vinculum, that is in bar form. Division of 1 divided by 2 of 4 1 divided by 3. This is the expression, and we have to find the value of this expression. And the options given are, first option is 18, second option 36, third option 39, and fourth option 78. In an expression, first we perform the parenthesis. First we perform the bracket, all bracket we have to perform the expression, evaluate the expression inside the bracket, that is, first we perform the parenthesis, then curly bracket, then rectangular bracket. Then we apply the Bormas rule, bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. First we perform the bracket operation, that is, first we perform the vinculum bar, that is the parenthesis, then curly bracket, then square bracket. Then we perform the operation of, then division, multiplication. If in an expression there are two division and multiplication both, then division and multiplication have both equal priority. So Perform the multiplication division from the equal priority operation. Perform from left to right. Then addition and subtraction. And addition and subtraction have equal priority. So, so evaluate the expression of equal priority from left to right. So first we perform the bracket, that is parenthesis, curly bracket and square bracket, then of, then division, multiplication, then addition and subtraction. So first we perform this Vinculum bar of this fraction 1 divided by 4 minus 1 divided by 6. Take this LCM of 4 and 6. 4 and 6 is 12. 12 divided by 4 is 3. 3 multiplied with 1 is 3. And 12 divided by 6, second denominator is 6. 12 divided by 6 is 2. 2 multiplied with 1 is 2. Now we get 3 minus 2 divided by 12. And 3 minus 2 divided by 12 is 1. 1 divided by 12. Now we get 2 1 divided by 2 minus 1 divided by 12. First we evaluate this parenthesis, then we curly bracket, then square bracket. Now we get 3 1 divided by 4, division of 1 1 divided by 4 minus 1 divided by 2 multiplied with 2 1 divided by 2 minus 1 divided by 12, that is inside the bracket. Division of whole division of 1 divided by 2 of 4 1 divided by 3. Now we get 3 1 divided by 4, division of 1 1 divided by 4 minus 1 divided by 2 of 2 1 divided by 2 minus 1 divided by 2 1 divided by 12, whole division of 1 divided by 2 of 4 1 by 3. Now convert, evaluate this parenthesis. Inside this parenthesis 2 1 divided by 2, this is a mixed fraction. We have to convert this mixed fraction into an improper fraction. Just multiply the denominator with whole plus numerator. 2 multiplied with 2 is 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 divided by 2. And 5 divided by 2 is the mixed improper fraction of this mixed fraction. 2 1 divided by 2 minus 1 divided by 12. Now we evaluate this expression, that is inside the bracket. LCM of 2 and 12 is 12, and divide LCM with denominator 2. 12 divided by 2 is 6. 6 multiplied with 5 minus 12 divided by 12 is 1. 1 multiplication of 1 is 1. So 5 multiplied with 6 is 30. 30 minus 1 is 29. So we get 29 divided by 12. Now we get 3 1 divided by 4, division of 1 1 divided by 4, that is inside the curly bracket, minus 1 by 2 multiplication with 29 divided by 12. The whole division with 1 divided by 2 of 4 1 divided by 3. Now we get 3 1 divided by 4, division of curly, inside the curly bracket 1 1 divided by 4 minus half of 29 divided by 12. This is in whole bracket. Inside this whole bracket this expression is there. Then division of 1 by 2 of 4 1 divided by 3. Now we multiply 1 divided by 2 multiplied with 29 divided by 12. We get 29 product of numerators divided by product of denominators, that is 1 multiplied with 29 divided by 2 multiplied with 12, and 2 multiplied with 12 is 24, and 1 multiplied with 29 is 29. So we get 29 divided by 24. And convert this mixed fraction 1 1 divided by 4 into an improper fraction. Just multiply. 4 multiplied with 1 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 divided by 4. So we get 5 divided by 4 minus 29 divided by 24. Now evaluate this expression, that is inside the curly bracket. 5 divided by 4 minus 29 divided by 24. Take the LCM of 4 and 24, and LCM of 4 and 24 is 24. Now divide this LCM 24 with the denominator of this first fraction, 5 divided by 4. 24 divided by 4 is 6. Multiply 6 with numerator 5. 5 multiplied with 6. Now divide this LCM 24 with the denominator 24 of the second fraction, 29 divided by 24. 24 divided by 24 is 1. Multiply 1 with the numerator 29. 29 multiplied with 1 is 29. So we get 5 multiplied with 6 is 30. 30 minus 29 is 1. 1 divided by 24. So we get 3 1. Now we get 3 1 divided by 4, division of 1 divided by 24. This is inside the square bracket. Division of half of 4 1 divided by 3. Half of 4 1 divided by 3 is inside the parenthesis. Now we get 3 1 divided by 4, division of 1 divided by 24, that is inside the square bracket. Division of 1 divided by 2 of 4 1 divided by 3, that is inside the parenthesis. Now we convert this mixed fraction 3 1 divided by 4 into an improper fraction. So multiply the denominator with whole plus numerator. 4 multiplied with 3 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. 13 divided by 4. That is the improper fraction of the mixed fraction 3 1 divided by 4. Now we get 13 divided by 4, division of 1 divided by 24. That is inside the square bracket. Division of half of his multiplication symbol. So half 1 divided by 2 multiplied with, we convert this mixed fraction 4 1 divided by 3 into an improper fraction. Multiply the denominator 3 with the whole 4 plus numerator 1. 3 multiplied with 4 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. 13 divided by 3. Now we get 13 divided by 4, division of 1 divided by 24, that is inside the square bracket. Division of 1 divided by 2 multiplied with 13 divided by 3, that is inside the parenthesis. Now we change this division symbol into multiplication symbol. Just multiply with the reciprocal of this fraction 1 divided by 24. So we get 13 divided by 4 multiplied with reciprocal of 1 divided by 24. Division of, now we evaluate this expression inside the bracket, that is multiplication of this two fraction 1 divided by 2 and 13 divided by 3. 1 divided by 2 multiplied with 13 divided by 3 equal to product of numerators divided by product of denominators. So product of numerator is 1 multiplied with 13 and product of denominator is 2 multiplied with 3. So 1 multiplied with 13 is 13 and 2 multiplied with 3 is 6. So we get 13 divided by 4 multiplied with reciprocal of 1 divided by 24, that is inside the square bracket. Division of 13 divided by 6. Now 13 divided by 4, reciprocal of 1 divided by 24 is 24 divided by 1. That is just interchange the numerator and denominator. 1 divided by 24 will be 24 divided by 1. Then we get, now we get 13 divided by 4 multiplied with 24 divided by 1. 24 divided by 1 is 24. So we get 13 divided by 4 multiplied with 24, division of 13 divided by 6. Now we get 13 divided by 4, division multiplication with 24, that is inside the square bracket. Division of 13 divided by 6. Now cancel 4 with 24, that is 6. 4 multiplied with 6 is 24. Now we get 13 multiplied with 6. Division of 13 divided by 6. And 13 multiplied with 6 is 78. 78, and we change this division symbol. We change the division symbol with multiplication symbol. Just multiply with the reciprocal of 13 divided by 6. Reciprocal 78 multiplied with reciprocal of 13 divided by 6. When you change the division symbol into multiplication symbol, just multiply with the reciprocal of that fraction. Reciprocal of 13 divided by 6 will be 6 divided by 13. That is, just interchange the numerator and denominator. Here 13 divided by 6, so interchange the numerator and denominator will be 6 divided by 13. Now we get 78 multiplied with 6 divided by 13, and 6 divided by 13 is the reciprocal of 13 divided by 6. Now we cancel this 13 with 78. 13 multiplied with 6 is 78. Now we get 6 multiplied with 6 is 36. So option B is correct. So option B, 36, is the value of this given expression. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any doubt, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.